more work. I'm remounting my TV, move it a little lower, because now since the bed is not there, I cut that back. I can have it lower, I can swing out, it won't interfere with the bed. But this is how I do it. The 2x4 on the inside of the cabinet, and basically just drill it through. So gonna move the hose from up here down there where that mark is at. There's my mark. I'm gonna drill pilot holes first in the cabinet and then through the 2x4. First one in, now for the second one. All right, before I crank the bolts down, see it's centered. So, all right, this is my little tip. Keep your TV from breaking. So JB weld on the weakest point. Upgrade the screw in the back. Normally this piece right here, the back of the TV, is just snapped on or held on with one screw. All the bolts in the back, I left those loose so everything can pivot freely. So when I store it, just kick that up, push it back against there, throw the bungee cord on it, you know, won't go anywhere. And I put a old hoodie over it just to keep it from getting all scuffed up. Ready to watch it, it just pulls out, drops down, it's already angled. Can still access the microwave. I'm pleased with it. This is how it looks stored away. So hoodie on top, the bungee cord strapped down there, all the way up there. So you don't want it too tight, might crack your screen. So that's that.